Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic updates on iPhone iOS 26. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to open Settings on your device and scroll down just a little until you will find General with a little gear icon. Click on it. And now go for Software Update. Here you will see some information about your iOS updates, and here you need to just choose the first option, Automatic Updates. So if you want to turn off automatic updates on your iPhone, you need to simply turn off the option Automatically Install. So the updates now will be downloaded in the background, but they won't be installed automatically. If you don't want them to be downloaded automatically also, you just need to turn off the second option as well. You may also turn off the last option here called Automatically Install System Files, but it does not update your iPhone, it just improves the functionality in the background, and I do not recommend turning off the last option here. And basically that is it. That is how you can turn off automatic updates on your iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.